B is for beat. For the beat of my heart. The rhythmic bass line. Not for beating me down. B is also for you, my baby, because you are my honeybee, my bijou, you take my breath away. L is for love, the drug of life. The brain gets lured and lulled, and then the libido runs riot. Lethal. Who then will lick the wounds and sing a lullaby when the lilt has gone and lips are sealed, and only some last lonely lyrics linger on. You is for the unfathomable universe, the dark and unknown quantity of dust to dust, where unrehearsed and untrodden on, utopia unfolds. E is for the enigmatic elements, but I'm enchanted, estranged from myself. Mother Earth, embrace me, now that I'm empty-handed and emotional. I've lost my eyes, I've lost my sight, I live in error. How do I redeem my own excess? S is for spirit, unhemmed and wayward, for solitude alongside space, in that world beyond sea and stone. It bears secrets thousandfold, forever more seduction, and there I find my final sleep. S for the most piercing sound, S for everlasting silence.